We got the great Steven Tyler still living on the edge with his custom hog here. This March, he's turning 78 years old. Still looking like a rock star here. And safety is first with a helmet here. Very custom bike here. I'm not sure what type of bike that is. Maybe it's a Harley, but we are not letting go of the rock and roll lifestyle. This look, the whatever, I think it's a Harley. I'm not even quite sure, but it's a badass motorcycle here. Still living the dream, still on the edge, doing it Steven Tyler's way here. Give me your thoughts. Should he dress up like a 70-year-old or like a rock star? Give me your thoughts. Like, subscribe.